Featuring a foldable, integrated design, DJI RSC2 can be switched easily between briefcase, portrait, and storage modes. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use briefcase, portrait, and storage modes with DJI RSC2. Thanks to the foldable design, you can quickly enable a range of operation modes and store it with greater convenience. Before getting started, make sure you have already watched the DJI RSC2 balancing tutorial and have installed the gimbal on the extended grip tripod and performed gimbal balancing. Power on DJI RSC2. Turn the lock knob counterclockwise to loosen it. Hold the grip firmly and tilt the gimbal down 90 degrees. Then tighten the lock knob. Hold the grip horizontally. Press the trigger twice, and DJI RSC2 will enter briefcase mode and is ready for low-angle shooting. Hold the gimbal upright and press the M button twice to switch to portrait mode. Repeat to exit. After shooting, power off the gimbal. Detach the camera together with the lower quick-release plate. Rotate the gimbal to storage position and lock each axis. Remove the extended grip tripod, and DJI RSC2 can now be easily stored. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.